Happy Friday, everybody. Today's agenda is to watch this video and answer the color of the day, complete your journal for today, work on late or missing assignments. There'll be a Google form for you to fill out as to which assignments you completed and for which class. You need to work for at least a half an hour for my class. So whether you're working on missing or late assignments for other classes, that half an hour will count for my time, and that needs to be done today. If you are done with everything to the best of your ability for all of your classes, then you should read for a half an hour. So on that Google form, you will still fill it out. You will still say what you read. You will still say how long you read, that kind of thing. So either way, you are filling out a Google form. You are working for a half an hour for English today, and you are getting that done before we post grades on the 5th. Your color for today is black.